Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at the products that we sell for the Liniar Bifold system, which include handles, and they've got the unique crank handle on them with the full Euro cylinder on one side, and on the other side just a single hole, fixed together by screws which are introduced from the inside of the property for security. This handle comes in a choice of white, black and chrome. Among the parts that you'll be seeking are the top and bottom rollers, which are clearly labelled so you know which to use where, and they come with security moulding which fits on both sides of the hinge, which is secure to the rebate of the doors. Clear instructions are supplied along with the product to help you be able to fit them correctly in place. Hope that one helps with the hinges. And we also carry the standard hinges to go onto the linear door products, and the D handle hinge also. The single handle for your intermediate door with the cranked section is available in white, black and chrome. Your D hinge with handle is available in white and black, along with the single hinge, which is available also in white and black. Thank you very much for watching UPVC Spares for Repairs.